Welcome to High-Tech Gadgets News, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights on cutting-edge technology for the modern adult. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of smart home control systems, a field that's seen unprecedented innovation over the past year, driven by breakthroughs in interoperability, artificial intelligence, and forward-thinking design. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newcomer exploring smarter living, understanding the current landscape of smart home control is essential to making informed decisions for your household. Let's start at the heart of recent progress: interoperability. In the past, one of the biggest frustrations for smart home users was the lack of compatibility among different brands and platforms. Devices from various manufacturers often failed to communicate, leading to a fragmented and sometimes unreliable smart home experience. But in late 2022, the introduction of the Matter standard began to reshape the industry. Developed collaboratively by major players like Apple, Google, Amazon, and others, Matter set out to create a universal language for smart home devices, making it easier for products to work together seamlessly. Fast forward to May 2025, and the Matter standard has reached version 1.4.1, a milestone that reflects both refinement and rapid adoption. Matter 1.4.1 stands out for its addition of NFC onboarding and multi-device setup features. What does this mean for consumers? Setting up new smart home gadgets has never been simpler. Now, you can tap your phone to a compatible device and breeze through onboarding in seconds, while the system automatically recognizes and configures multiple devices at once. This streamlines the integration process, reducing the technical hurdles that once discouraged many from upgrading their homes. But compatibility is only part of the story. Artificial intelligence has emerged as the engine driving smart homes from simple automation to true adaptive intelligence. AI-powered control systems are transforming the way devices interact with both users and their environments. Take, for instance, the latest smart thermostats from Ecobee. These devices harness AI to learn your daily routines, monitor occupancy patterns, and respond to local weather conditions. The result is a home that's always comfortable while optimizing energy consumption, translating to real savings on your utility bills. Security, too, has benefited from the AI revolution. New generation systems from brands like Ring and Eufy now feature advanced object recognition capabilities. Instead of bombarding you with false alarms triggered by passing cars or neighborhood pets, these systems analyze video feeds in real time, distinguishing between people, animals, and inanimate objects. The result is more accurate alerts, enhancing both peace of mind and the reliability of your home's security. However, even as the technology advances, challenges remain. A recent review from TechRadar highlights persistent issues with connectivity and integration. Despite the promise of universal standards, not every device on the market plays perfectly with every platform. Some consumers, frustrated by these inconsistencies, are choosing to minimize their reliance on smart automation, opting instead for simpler, more dependable solutions. This ongoing struggle underscores the importance of continued industry collaboration and robust development to achieve truly seamless smart home environments. As we look at the best high-tech smart home control systems available today, several standout options deserve attention. Leading the way are platforms that fully embrace the Matter standard, ensuring cross-brand compatibility and future-proofing your investment. Devices that support Matter are more likely to work harmoniously with major digital assistants, such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, allowing you to control your entire home with voice commands, routines, or intuitive apps. The most advanced systems go beyond simple device control. They offer centralized dashboards, often accessible from your smartphone or tablet, that provide real-time insights into your home's energy usage, security status, and even air quality. With AI-driven analytics, you can receive personalized suggestions on how to further optimize your living space. For example, your smart control hub might recommend adjusting your heating schedule based on recent occupancy trends, or alert you to prolonged open windows that could impact energy efficiency. Another key development is the emergence of multi-device orchestration. Thanks to recent Matter updates, setting up complex scenes like movie night or away mode is now easier than ever. With a single tap, you can dim the lights, lower the shades, adjust the thermostat, and arm your security system, all in perfect synchronization. NFC onboarding takes this a step further by making device installation virtually effortless, even for those with limited technical know-how. Of course, the value of a smart home control system isn't just in convenience, it's also about safety and sustainability. AI-enhanced security systems are now able to anticipate risks, not just react to them. For example, if your security cameras detect unusual movement patterns or your sensors pick up unexpected temperature changes, the system can send proactive alerts, helping you respond before minor issues escalate into major problems. Sustainability has become a top priority for many homeowners, and smart control systems are rising to meet this challenge. Through detailed energy monitoring and the ability to automate high-consumption devices, these systems help reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing comfort. Integrated weather forecasting allows your home to adapt in real time, pre-cooling or preheating spaces based on predicted conditions and occupancy. This not only conserves energy, but also extends the lifespan of your appliances. Looking ahead, the smart home industry is poised for continued growth and refinement. The push for even greater interoperability is ongoing, and future versions of Matter are expected to broaden support for new device categories, enhance security protocols, and further streamline the onboarding process. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more sophisticated features, such as predictive maintenance alerts, advanced health monitoring, and deeper integration with wearable tech. Yet, it's important to approach smart home upgrades with a discerning eye. Not every product delivers on its promises, and the complexity of some systems can still present a learning curve. When evaluating new gadgets, look for robust Matter support, proven AI capabilities, and a track record of reliable performance. Reading trusted reviews and staying informed through reputable sources, like High-Tech Gadgets News, can help you make the best choices for your needs. In summary, the world of smart home control has never been more exciting or accessible. With recent advancements in interoperability, AI integration, and user-friendly design, today's systems offer unparalleled convenience, security, and efficiency. However, as with any rapidly evolving technology, staying informed and choosing wisely are key to getting the most from your investment. Whether you're looking to build a fully automated home or simply add a few intelligent touches, the future is bright and smarter than ever. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for ongoing updates, reviews, and expert guidance on all things smart home. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.